it's a lifesaver for weekday dinners. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you cooking today? I am reading Chef Ivan Organ's The Gaijin's Cookbook, and he was talking about teriyaki chicken. Do you like teriyaki? I like teriyaki so much that I want to share my teriyaki chicken recipe with you. We are going to make a teriyaki chicken burger that's so delicious. We will make our own chicken and also the burger bun from scratch. So for us to make our teriyaki burger, the first thing, if you want to, you can make your own burger bun. It's really fun to do because burger bun is a yeast dough. So the most important thing is you need to activate the yeast, make the yeast work. And what is yeast like? First, they like warm environment, and also they like something sweet. Just imagine they are a little baby. You need to let them rest, give them something sweet, and then they will start to burp, okay? So, the temperature of your water, it has to be around 110, pretty warm. And then just need to add the yeast here. They like something sweet, so either sugar or honey will work. And just kind of stir. And kind of wait 3 or 5 minutes. When you start to see it gets foamy and gets a lot of bubbles, it means your yeast is working, okay? All right, now as you can see, our yeast and water mixture is getting really foamy. It means your yeast is working well. It's time for us to make the dough. To make this dough is really, really easy. First, you just need to put your yeast mixture in the mixing bowl and then add your flour. After the flour is in, add some salt. And also we have 1 egg. After we add the egg, let the machine do the work. Slowly add the butter in. When it forms the dough, put it in a Ziploc bag. Let it proof. You're all set. Haha, now my dough is ready. Look at this, how beautiful it is. So now I just need to quickly, shape the dough. Like this. Okay, then you can put your dough back here, cover it, and then let it proof. Hey, look at this! Now my dough is double the volume. It's ready for me to shape it. So this is really easy. You just need to take your dough out and you need to weight them. So usually what I do is I do 3 ounces per burger dough. Let's see. 3 ounces. So now I want to show you how you shape your dough. You want to use your 2 hands, use here, and just, shape your dough like this. And it has to look smooth and shiny like a baby's butt. That means it's ready. You can put it on your baking sheet, and then later it's gonna grow double the size again. Proof your burger buns until they are about 1.5 times bigger. Then it's time to egg wash, sprinkle some white sesame, and bake them. Look at this, look at this, look at this! My burger bun, see? Shiny and smooth like baby's butt, and now they double the, not really double, but almost double, like 1.5 times bigger. Means they are ready. What you want to do is you want to brush some egg wash on top. So egg wash basically is, I usually do 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water if I want to give my burger a shiny look. If you want to give it a soft look, you can try heavy cream. If you just want it to look crispy but not too crisp but not too rich, then you can do water and sprinkle some white sesame on top. I usually toast the sesame, just so your bun is more flavorful. My burger buns are ready. I'm going to send it to the oven, bake it. I would say around 18 to 20 minutes until it's golden. So now I'm going to make my teriyaki sauce. First, I'm going to add half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, and ginger, scallion, garlic. I also have some brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey. I have 2 special spices that I want to share with you. One is number 17 Nougat from a shop called La Bois. This one has some lemongrass and palm sugar. I think it would be wonderful to give it a little bit Thai spin. And then the other one is number 13. This one has some honey, anise, and cinnamon. I'm going to add a little pinch to it too. And now we just need to cook this. Bring it to boil. Cook 18 to 20 minutes until the amount of the sauce reduced to half of it. Then you are all set. After we cooked our sauce for 18 minutes, you can see it's getting like so much more thicker. And now what you want to do is you want to strain it. Then we just need to wait until the sauce cools down. We can use it to marinate our chicken. So now our sauce is ready. I have some meat here. We're just gonna put those meat here, marinate it, give it some massage, give it some love. And then that's marinated for 2 hours or overnight. Then we can grill them. So now after 12 hours, my chickens are ready to go. What I need to do is now just prepare a pan. I would prefer a cast iron pan, but if you don't have it, doesn't matter. Also, if you can find a pan that has this, so you can get a mark on your meat, that will be better. But just you don't need to break your back pocket just to buy a pan to pan sear your teriyaki. So just work with whatever you have. And now we want to heat up the pan. Also, you want to have a pastry brush and prepare, the oil that can endure high heat will be ideal. And you want to wait a little bit until your pan get really hot. What you're looking for is the sizzling sound. And there are 2 options you can do. You can either just pan sear it and then it's gonna take a while, or you can pan sear it and then put it on a tray, bake it in the oven. The most important thing when you are handling chicken is it's not like beef, you can get medium rare or medium. Chicken has to be cooked. So now I think my pan is pretty hot. Okay, let's see if I get a sizzling sound. Whoa, beautiful. Good. Ooh, smells so good. Whoa. Okay, this is a dish I think perfect for barbecue, July 4th, but also any time of the year, like teriyaki rules. So now let's just wait a little bit. See if we get the mark. And now, see, got a beautiful mark on our chicken. It's time for us to bake them. We can just transfer them to a baking tray. And then put it in our oven. Now the chicken is in the oven. We are going to let it bake like 8 to 10 minutes until the temperature is 160 degrees. And then we can start to assemble our burger. Now I have my burger buns ready, my teriyaki chicken ready. How do you tell if your chicken is cooked? You want to check the temperature. 160 degrees, perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to let the meat rest a little bit. I also got some really beautiful heirloom tomato that I can use for my burger. If you wonder how to tell if your tomatoes are ready, just touch them. If they're still very hard, just let it rest for another couple of days. Check on them. This one is really soft, So I'm going to use this heirloom tomato. One tip for you is never put your tomato in your fridge. So just let it sit at room temperature. They will be just fine. Now we are going to assemble our burger. First thing, take the beautiful bun that you just made. Use a knife. Slice it into half like this. And then I usually prefer to have some iceberg, Have your veggies here. And then some tomato. Teriyaki chicken. And I always love some Cupid mayo. So Cupid mayo here. Put it on the top. Ta-da! Your teriyaki burger is ready! Look at this! My teriyaki burger is ready! Woohoo! I can't wait to try this. I'm starving. Oh. This is amazing. So delicious. If you love teriyaki, if you love burger, must try this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.